Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make something I'm calling chicken croquettes. I'm going to show you the ingredients here in just a minute, and I'm going to show you how I put it together. It can be used, I'm going to use it as a complete meal for my dinner tonight or my supper. Some people call it dinner, I call it supper where I come from. But that's what I'm going to have for my supper tonight, and I'll come back and show you the ingredients. Alright, I am using one 5-ounce can of Sweet Sue chunk white chicken. Put that in a bowl. I've got 1/3 cup of my sharp cheddar, and I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of egg makers. Now the thing about egg makers, the 3 tablespoons is equivalent to 1 large egg, but it's 25 calories versus 77 with an egg. Also, it's no cholesterol versus 212 milligrams with an egg. I'm going to put a little bit of Italian seasoning in mine. So I'm going to put this together, I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to show you what I want to do next. Alright, I got this mixed up. I put Italian seasoning in mine because I'm going to eat it with pizza sauce. This whole recipe, the 5 ounces of chicken, the 1/3 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, and the egg makers is a total of 255 calories. And it's 34 grams of protein. I'm going to form these into croquettes, and then I'll show you what that looks like, and we're going to bake them. I patted these out. I got 4 croquettes out of it. I did put them on a baking tray with aluminum foil, and I went ahead and sprayed it with some no-stick spray. They're a little bit wet. I did drain the chicken just out of the can. I did not put it in a paper towel or anything, so it's a little wet. Might need a little bit of extra drying. But you could also, if you wanted to, you could use rotisserie chicken for this. Just measure it out. So I'm going to bake these. I'm going to bake them at 350. And when I come back, I'll have a time as to how long I let them cook, and we'll see what they look like. All right, these things are done right out of the oven. I went ahead and tasted one of them. They flattened out a little bit. They were a little bit moist, kind of like them chocolate chip cookies that you and your mom used to make when you was a kid. You know how they kind of run all over the pan sometimes? It's kind of how this did. So the lesson I learned, the next time I might just use rotisserie chicken, which will be a little bit drier, or I'll actually mash my chicken through a colander to make sure all the juice is out of it. Using a real egg is going to make a little bit of a difference too, rather than egg makers. When I put these, I scanned the labels for all the ingredients into my Bariatric app. When I did that, it showed me a total of 311 calories. That does include the 3 tablespoons of pizza sauce. It ended up with 41 grams of protein. So I've already tasted one. These things are very, very good. Ended up cooking them for 20 minutes at 350 degrees in my oven, toaster oven. So you could do these in an air fryer too, but I did mine in the toaster oven. You guys try this out. It's really good. I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching.